In this video, we're going to show you how to deploy an NFT presale on the Craft Launchpad. The Craft Launchpad is a tool to allow creators to easily get their NFT project started and to connect them with a large community across various chains. The first step is to generate the metadata. You can find a lot of tutorials online to find out how to generate metadata and how to host them on IPFS or a dedicated API. Once your metadata are ready, you can click on this button to start the onboarding process. This screen allows you to list an existing contract or to create a new one. Let's click on the second button. This process will deploy a contract based on your current chain. We are currently supporting Neutron and Icon, and we'll pick Neutron for this tutorial. The first form includes all the settings for the NFT sales. You can specify the basics as well as the base URI, the max supply, and the price in native currency for your presale. You can also set a mint limit per address and whitelist settings there. Once you're good to go, press deploy and follow the steps to deploy your contracts. Click on the Explorer link to get your contract address, press next, and this time, click on Existing Collection and paste your address. This step will allow you to change your collection settings on Craft's front end. There are a lot of steps to fill. We recommend it be as complete as possible. You can fill your project's roadmap, team composition, as well as basic information such as names, profile picture, banner, and royalties. This was the last step. Please create a ticket on our Discord so we can review your application. And once it's good, your project will be live, and users will be able to mint directly from Craft or from your own front end if you want to get a dedicated interface. Thanks for watching.